The blinking red light on your Xfinity home doorbell indicates a problem with either power or network connectivity. This is a user-friendly failsafe, but understanding which issue you're facing is the first step to fixing it. A stable 16 to 24 volts AC power source is crucial. If the light blinks red, it often signifies insufficient voltage or a network connection failure. This guide will help you diagnose and resolve these issues effectively. Power issues cause 45% of blinking red light problems on the Xfinity home doorbell. For wired setups, ensure the doorbell receives adequate power from its transformer. Use a multimeter to test the voltage at the transformer. The wiring diagram shows how the transformer connects to the doorbell system. For battery-powered models, ensure the battery is fully charged. A common fix is replacing an old transformer with a 24-volt model, which can save hundreds in electrician fees. For advanced checks, examine the internal wiring of the doorbell mechanism. Network problems cause 35% of red light issues on the Xfinity doorbell. First, ensure your Xfinity gateway is functioning correctly. The doorbell requires a stable 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection. Ensure it's using the correct frequency band. Make sure the doorbell is within range of your Wi-Fi signal. Interference from other devices can cause problems. Consider using a Wi-Fi extender for larger homes or rural areas with spotty internet coverage. Keep your doorbell firmware updated, like version 4.2.1, to improve network stability. These steps should resolve most network connectivity issues with your Xfinity doorbell. Before attempting a hard reset, try a soft reset through the Xfinity Home app. This method is less intrusive and can resolve software glitches without erasing your settings. Navigate to your doorbell settings within the app and look for the Restart Device or Reboot option. Follow the on-screen prompts to initiate the soft reset. This resolves 80% of software-related issues. If a soft reset doesn't work, a hard reset might be necessary. Locate the doorbell button and press and hold it for 10 to 15 seconds. This will clear errors and reboot the device. Be aware that a hard reset will restore the doorbell to its factory settings, so you'll need to reconnect it to your Wi-Fi network and Xfinity Home account. This is particularly useful after power outages or significant network changes. Consider these specific scenarios for advanced troubleshooting of the blinking red light. If the red light persists despite good power and Wi-Fi, it may be a software bug. A reset often fixes this issue. Blinking that starts after a firmware update could indicate incompatibility. Visit the Xfinity support forums for guidance. Intermittent blinking suggests fluctuating power or network problems. Identify and fix the underlying issue. For rural areas with weak Wi-Fi, consider upgrading to a mesh network system for better reliability. To prevent future issues with your Xfinity home doorbell, regularly check the power supply and Wi-Fi connection. Keep the firmware updated to ensure optimal performance and security. Future trends include AI-driven diagnostics for predictive maintenance, solar-powered models to address power issues, and integration with 5G, 6G networks for more stable connections. Consider resetting devices regularly for security due to increased cyber threats. If you've tried all the troubleshooting steps and your Xfinity doorbell is still blinking red, it's time to contact Xfinity support. They can provide further assistance and determine if there's a hardware issue requiring replacement. Collect information about your troubleshooting steps to expedite the process. Expert opinions suggest the red light is user-friendly, but future models need better power diagnostics.